In healthcare, there's a moment where everything changes. It's a career that could change your life. And if you're looking for a career that is in demand, rewarding, and offers real opportunities, then becoming a healthcare assistant is your path.
Listen to this. Over 160,000 jobs are opening in BC alone, and that's just the start. Canada's healthcare sector is booming, and it's all waiting for you. Imagine this. The whole country is in need of your skills.
Giving you the chance to live and work in Canada for you.
While you're watching this video, HCAs are earning over $70,000 on average per year. That's not a dream, it's a reality.
Our healthcare program is about mastering essential skills like medical terminology, patient care, and clinical techniques that make you irreplaceable in the industry.
And the best part, you'll be trained by experts who'll guide you every step of the way, ensuring you're not just prepared, but beyond prepared.
It's not just theory. This program is designed to make you the best. With hands-on experience, cutting-edge training, and access to a healthcare facility right on campus.
And guess what? We'll even place you in a job once you're ready. Our network is massive and we'll make sure you're in demand from day one.
Ready to get started? Our 7-week practicum and optional co-op will put you straight into the real world, give you a head start in the healthcare industry.
So stop waiting. Start building the future you deserve, and we'll help you get there faster than you ever imagined. If you're so serious about making a difference,
there's only one place to start.
Apply now at SELC College.
And let's turn your future into reality.